Alright, YouTube, welcome back to another video. Appreciate you guys for watching. It's your boy Brian Felix here. So I'm gonna just take you guys a little bit of a tutorial video. I'm gonna just show you guys what we're doing, how we're doing it, what we're using to get the job done. So right here, we're just gonna spray some wheel acid all over the entire inside of the wheels. And this is what we're using here. This is just simply a product, a chemical that we just started using. And I'm sure there's a lot of different ways, a lot of methods, but this is something that we've used and incorporated into our detailing process just to clean things up a little bit more, or you know what I mean, just be more efficient, because that wheel acid does knock off about 95, I would say 95% of that dirt. And you guys will see here on the front wheel, which was really bad, you'll see how it starts falling off, and we just follow it up with the greaser and wheel cleaning as soon as we're done rinsing it off. Alright, so we're simply going to just go ahead and start doing the wheels, right? So we're just going to repeat the same process for all 4 tires, but I didn't want to bore you guys with the same video all over and over again. So this is what we're using here, and it's Stinger Chemicals again, special cleaner. And if you saw my last video where we resupply, you'll see where I got it from and who I bought it from and stuff like that. But we usually use that also for the interior, and it's not very strong, which is good, because you can use it and dilute it for the interior, or use it as a bug remover and stuff like that, which is what we're doing here. Just pre-rinse, just trying to remove those bugs on the front end and stuff like that. And we do this for each and every vehicle. We never switch up the detailing process, unless you're out there maybe by yourself, then you might do all 4 tires. But I did 2 tires and Victor did 2 tires, so that kind of gives you an idea of how things usually go with another person. If you're by yourself, you'll be doing majority of the work, but if you're with someone else like I am here with Victor, then we kind of just work a little more efficient and faster, because we can do half of the vehicle, and you get what I'm saying. So right here in the foam cannon, I believe we have Citrus Wash and Gloss by Chemical Guys. Now this is a very good soap. I promise you guys, if you don't use this, you will never switch soaps ever again. Now there are pros and cons about this soap. A lot of people comment down below like, hey, you should use this, you should use that. But I mean, it works for us, and we're just going to continue using it. And if you have any other chemicals or anything like that you want us to try, I'm more than happy to try them out. I believe I'm picking up the pink Mr. Pink soap, something like that, just to do a review on it and show you guys the results, so you don't have to go out there and spend your own money. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and start blowing stuff out of like the cracks and crevices. Any standstill water is being dried and removed, and I'm gonna use this on the tires simply because once we go ahead and apply the dressing, I want the tires to already be shined and dried. Simply because the sun wasn't out, it was pretty cloudy and stuff like that. And if we let the tires sit, they're gonna take a long time to dry out. And then if we do apply the tire shine, you know, it's a chance that it might not absorb or stick on the tires as good. So I'm using this motorcycle blower here, just to blow out on in between the cracks and stuff like that, especially on the windows, because when it's time to clean the glass, you guys know, if you're a detailer out there, if you have any water on the glass, it's kind of annoying because then it catches onto the towel and then you start streaking, and you know what I'm saying, especially on those side mirrors there that I'm cleaning, they start to always drip. So I'm making sure to get enough and as most water out of them as possible so that we can, you know, apply our wax without any issues, or, you know, dry it up and not have any problems with any drip or stuff like that once the client, you know, picks up their vehicle, etc., etc. So you guys just saw Victor cleaning and adding tires shine to the wheels. Now this is an important tip, and this is something that someone actually commented in the videos, which when they told me this, I was like, wow, like that's a no-brainer, you know, which is simply like turn the car on and, you know, put the windows down a little bit. But I'm actually take this up a notch. So what we do is, towards the end of the detail, I'm gonna just go ahead and turn on the car, right? And all I do is either move it a little forward or move it a little back, because as you may know, you know, when you're adding tire shine, you might miss a little bit of the corners and stuff like that because the vehicle it's in one precision, right? So what I like to do is move the vehicle front and just get, you know, the full tire, and then I like to put the windows, you know, crack the windows down all around a little bit just to remove any dirt and stuff like that. And it does make a huge difference, you guys. It makes a big difference because once the client puts their windows down, it doesn't seem like it's any dirt, and they're just like more happy and more pleased with the full detail. So this is gonna end the video here. You guys are seeing some quick after shots here. Please make sure to comment down below any questions, any concerns. Thank you guys so much for watching, and this is a part 2, so if you didn't watch part 1, make sure you guys check out the link below and make sure you watch part 1. But nonetheless, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Brian Felix out. Hustle never settle. Keep working hard. Keep working, you guys. We got this, man. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.